Hi, this is Stacia Stribling, Deputy Director with Formed Families Forward. I'm here to share a new feature we have on our website. If you've ever been to the resources page, you will notice that along the right-hand side, we have resource web pages listed by topic. If you've ever clicked on these, you know that the resources underneath there can be quite extensive. So we have now added subheadings under each topic in order to help you refine your search. For example, if you click on family engagement, you will see your options for subheadings in this box at the top of the page. Perhaps you're interested in reading more about family engagement related specifically to developmental disabilities. You can click on that box. You can also add other subheadings. So you might want to know about developmental disabilities and resources that are specific for families. So you can click on both of those to narrow the list even more. We hope that this new organization makes it easier for you to find resources for your family.